Hello everyone, welcome to my knowledge. In today's video, we will discuss basic introduction of MS Word. So the white page that you see is where you can type. The gray parts are where you cannot type. We will discuss home, insert, and then design. We'll discuss layout as well. And the references, this will be discussed in technical report writing video. Okay, but before going to home, we have to adjust the size of the paper on which you want to write. Currently I will be writing on A4 size. You can also use legal size, letter size, executive size, or you can type in custom size for the page. As you can see, width and height of the page are given in centimeters. You can change it according to your page size. So currently I'm working on A4. If you look at it, we can see two rulers, one at the top and the other on the left side. These two rulers are used to identify the text area. If I zoom it in a little, you can see that the cursor is right below the arrow on the top ruler. You can drag the ruler pointer to identify the starting point of the cursor. Normally people leave 2 or 1.5 distance from the left side and 2.5 on the right side. So it's completely up to you or your requirement. Similarly, you can adjust the height from the left side ruler by dragging it up or down. You can adjust the vertical height of the page. Now coming back to home tab, I will just type something on this page like, hi, my name is Khan. After that, by left clicking and dragging, you can select the text and change its format, the font of the text. You can select any font out of these predefined font styles. Currently I will just keep it on Times New Roman. Then you can adjust the height of the text or size of the text. You can also bold it. You can select single word and bold it depending upon your requirement. You can bold a portion in a sentence. Then you can use italic format. You can underline a text if required. By Control Z, you can undo your action. By selecting a text and clicking here, you can increase and decrease the size of the text. As you can see, it jumps at 2 levels from 12 to 14. Now this is very interesting. If you want to change the case of the sentence, you can use these commands. So we have all these options: sentence case, uppercase, lowercase, toggle case, whichever you want you can do it. After that, for highlighting, you can use this icon. For changing the style of the text, you can use this. Also the color of the text. So these are the basics. I will just paste 2-3 paragraphs randomly picked from Wikipedia, just to show how to use Format Painter. So the first line is in my required format, and I want to change the rest of the paragraphs in the same format. I will select the first sentence, click on Format Painter, and then select all the paragraphs that I want to format in the form of the first sentence. So this is how it works. Format Painter is very useful during technical report writing. After that, you can align the paragraph to the left by selecting a paragraph and clicking on left paragraph. Then you can place it on the center or at the right side. You can also use justify view, in which as you can see, all the lines on the right and left side align with each other. So normally in technical report writing, we try to write in justify format. Now if you want to write something in bullets, just click on that bullet and start typing. Now if you want to type something in bullets, click on bullets, then type the required word, press enter, and you will move to another bullet. So after typing the first word, type second word, then press enter, and so on. You can move up to any number of words. Now if you want to make a sub bullet, press enter, then tab, and you will move to a sub bullet, then enter for second sub bullet. Again, in front of Toyota, I just pressed enter and then tab to move into sub bullet, and for second sub bullet just press enter, and so on. Now if I want to change the line spacing, I can use this icon. There are some built-in text styles that can also be used. For headings, I will make another video that will be purely for technical report writing. So we will discuss that feature in the second video. Find and replace is a very good command. If you want to find some word in a document, you can find it through that command. If you want to change a word, suppose I want to replace the word Bugatti with some other word like let me think, Mustang. I'll just type these and press replace. So if you can see, the first bullet converted from Bugatti to Mustang. So by using this command, you can change unlimited number of words just like this with one click. After that, we will discuss the Insert tab. In Insert tab, the first thing that comes is cover page. So for every report, you need a cover page, and here we have some built-in cover pages. I will just select randomly one of them. So after the cover page, here comes another command, that is blank page. If you want to create a blank page, you just have to place the cursor where you want a blank page and then click on the blank page command or icon. The third one is page break. So this is how you break page. So the next thing is table. So if you want to place a table with 5 columns in 2 rows, just press OK. You can change the style of the table by using auto fit command. If you want to fit it to the window, or you want to fit it to the contents inside the cell. Currently there are no contents, so the cells are shrinked. When I put contents in the cell expands according to the content. So I will use auto fit for the window, which looks better. Now I want to insert another row on top of it. So that's how you do it. I will just type serial unit 1, unit 2. I'm just naming it. Unit 2, unit 3, and unit 4, just for representation. So now another important thing is to modify the table. You have to go to layout, and I want to merge these two cells. To merge these two cells, I have this icon. When I click on it, the two cells will get merged. If I want to split this column wise, I will just pick 2 column 1 row, and that's how you do it. Now I want to split it row wise. I press the same icon, and 1 column and 2 rows will be selected, and press OK. So that's it. That's how you modify the table. You can also split the table from any row. You can also change the direction of the text just by selecting the text, pressing right click, text direction, and from here you can choose vertical upward, vertically downward, and horizontal text. You can use built-in designs for the tables. You can color or format each cell as well independently. Now to insert a picture, Just click on insert, select the picture that you want to import, press insert, and the picture will come into the Word file. Now you can change the height or width of the picture from this tab. You can change the frame of the picture as well. You can modify it. You can use any frame that you like. To rotate the picture, you can use this rotate icon. To crop the picture, just click on crop, select the area that you want to see, then click crop again, and that's how you crop a picture in Word. You can also write on the picture by inserting shape. Suppose I want to write something on it, I will just enter this shape and identify the two corners of the box, then type something in it. I can change the text size, the color of the box, the outline of the box, the shape of the box. From Smart Arts, we have so many charts, built-in charts available. I will just use a process or a cycle chart. Suppose I pick this one. I can increase the number of bullets. I can type 5 bullets in this cycle chart. Now if I want to add another bullet, I will just press enter right here, and we have space for 6th and 7th bullet as well. Now if I want to reduce it to 4, I will just press backspace and remove the bullet. Now if you want to enter an equation or a formula in your document, we have some built-in formulas as well, equations as well, or we can type our own equation. This is a built-in equation. Now if I want to type my own equation, I will just click on insert new equation. From here I can choose, is it a fraction or it's scripted, or is it a radical or integral. I can choose it from the above ribbon. In design tab, we have some built-in design styles. If you want to make your document confidential with a watermark, that's how you do it. Then to color the page, you can use that icon, or if you want to make boundaries, you can use page boundary. That is also in design tab. You can change the width, the thickness of the line. You can also change the format of the line, and so on. You can play as much as you want with it. In layout, the first thing is margin. You can also change the orientation of the page from here, from portrait to landscape, if you want it like this. Mostly we use portrait style, especially in scientific articles and thesis. You can change the paragraphs into 2 column. Normally research papers are in 2 column style. We'll discuss referencing in detail in the second video, in which I will discuss technical writing, how to write thesis, how to write a scientific article. From file, you can save this Word document in PDF format. Just give it a location where you want to save it, then save as a type. From save as a type PDF and save. The document will automatically be saved in PDF format like this. If you want to add headers and footers, just click on top of the page. Just click twice on top of the page and you will see headers on each page. Now if you want to type footers, double click on the lower side of the page, type anything. This will show on all pages of your document. For page numbering, go to insert. Here you can select the position of the number. I want to number at bottom and at the right side of the bottom. So that's it. The page number will appear on all of your pages. So that's it for today's video. If you want to learn more about MS Word and how to type your thesis, how to format your thesis, please watch the second video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.